Welcome back to the channel, car lovers. If you're passionate about trucks, motorcycles, and everything in between, you've come to the right place. We bring you the latest updates, reviews, and in-depth looks at the newest vehicles on the market. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive into today's topic. Alright, today we're talking about something very special, an absolute beast on wheels, the 2025 Shelby Pickup. Shelby, as you know, is synonymous with high performance, and this new addition to their lineup doesn't disappoint. It's more than just a pickup, it's a performance truck that combines raw power, cutting-edge technology, and bold styling. We're going to break down everything about this incredible machine, from its exterior design to what's under the hood, and of course its interior features. So, buckle up, this is going to be an exciting ride. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior because honestly this is one truck that commands attention. The 2025 Shelby Pickup builds upon the Ford F-150 platform, but cranks things up several notches in the styling department. Shelby's touch is evident in the aggressive bodywork, the bold grille, and the iconic racing stripes that run down the center of the truck. From the front, you'll notice the massive grille with the Shelby Cobra emblem front and center, letting everyone know this truck means business. The LED headlights have been upgraded to provide even better visibility at night, while also giving the truck a sleek, modern look. One thing that's hard to miss are the functional hood vents, which not only add to the aesthetics but help cool down the engine when you're pushing this beast to its limits. What really sets the 2025 Shelby Pickup apart visually are the carbon fiber accents sprinkled throughout the body, from the front splitter to the rear diffuser. This not only enhances its performance credentials but also gives it a more premium feel. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough trails, this truck is going to turn heads everywhere. Performance and engine. Alright, now let's talk performance because this is where the 2025 Shelby Pickup truly shines. Under the hood, we have a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engine that pumps out an eye-watering 770 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, minus 770 horses packed into a pickup truck. Shelby has taken the already impressive Ford F-150 powertrain and turned it into a monster that not only delivers raw speed, but also improved torque and overall drivability. The engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth shifts and allows you to maximize power whether you're on the highway or off-road. And speaking of off-road, this truck comes equipped with a custom suspension system designed by Shelby to handle both on-road performance and off-road capability. You're looking at upgraded shocks, springs, and stabilizers, all tuned to give you a smooth ride over any terrain while keeping the truck's performance sharp on the pavement. And for those who want to push this truck to the limit, the Shelby Pickup is equipped with performance brakes that provide superior stopping power. This is especially important considering the massive tires and extra weight of the truck. The exhaust system is also something to mention. It's tuned to give you that deep, throaty growl that Shelby is known for, so you'll be turning heads not just with the way this truck looks, but also with how it sounds. When it comes to off-roading, the Shelby Pickup doesn't disappoint. With its upgraded suspension, 4x4 system, and those huge tires, it can handle anything you throw at it: mud, snow, sand, or rocks. Shelby also offers optional Fox shocks, which are a must-have if you're serious about off-road adventures. This truck isn't just for show, it's designed to be used and pushed to the limit. Interior and technology. Now let's step inside the 2025 Shelby Pickup. As you'd expect, the interior is just as impressive as the exterior. Shelby has taken the standard Ford F-150 interior and added its own signature touches, giving it a more luxurious and performance-oriented feel. You'll immediately notice the leather-wrapped seats with Shelby branding and contrast stitching. These seats aren't just comfortable, they're built to hold you in place when you're taking sharp corners or going over rough terrain. The dashboard and door panels feature carbon fiber accents, adding to the sporty feel. You also get a Shelby-specific gauge cluster that displays all your performance data like boost pressure, oil temperature, and more. In terms of tech, the 2025 Shelby Pickup comes loaded with the latest features. It includes Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system with a large touchscreen, voice recognition, and smartphone integration. Whether you're an Apple or Android user, you'll be able to seamlessly connect your phone and access navigation, music, and apps with ease. There's also an available premium sound system for those who like their road trips with a little extra bass. Another cool feature is the customizable ambient lighting, which allows you to set the mood inside the cabin. Whether you're driving at night or just want to add a little extra flair, you can change the color of the lighting to suit your style. The Shelby Pickup also comes with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, making it easier to navigate tight spaces and stay safe on the road. While the Shelby Pickup is all about performance, it doesn't compromise on practicality. After all, it's still a truck. The bed is spacious and features a spray-in-bed liner to protect it from scratches and dents. Shelby also offers an optional tonneau cover if you want to keep your cargo secure and protected from the elements. One of the most practical features is the towing capability. With the supercharged V8 engine, the 2025 Shelby Pickup can tow up to 11,000 pounds, making it perfect for hauling boats, trailers, or even other vehicles. Whether you're using it for work or play, this truck has the power and capability to handle the toughest jobs. And let's not forget about the off-road accessories. Shelby offers a range of add-ons, like a light bar, winch, and skid plates, for those who want to take their off-roading adventures to the next level. With all these features, the 2025 Shelby Pickup isn't just a high-performance truck, it's a versatile tool that can tackle any challenge. If you're a performance enthusiast who loves trucks, this is one vehicle you won't want to miss. With its aggressive styling, insane horsepower, and off-road capabilities, the 2025 Shelby Pickup is set to be one of the most exciting trucks of the year. That's a wrap for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Shelby Pickup. Would you consider adding this beast to your collection? And if you haven't already, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on the latest trucks, motorcycles, and SUVs. We've got plenty more coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.